For the pen, you can see that in the top left corner of the design there is a piece missing. It's actually for you to align it under the clip of the pen. So you can do that before you even rub or anything, just to see how it's going to look like and how you're going to align your design on the pen. Then flip over your design so you see the white part and rub it with the squeegee. So what you want to do is you're going to remove part of the layer, maybe like half an inch, and you're going to remove it on the vertical axis. Then you can fold the back layer. Then you align it with the clip of the pen, like you did before. And you can apply and rub the parts at the beginning. You can put the pen on the table, slowly peel away the back layer and roll the pen at the same time. Remove the back layer. Before applying any pressure at the end of the design, make sure it doesn't overlay with the transfer layer from the beginning. If it does, peel away the transfer layer from the beginning and rub the end with your finger. Now, you can rub with your hand or with the squeegee to make sure the sticker is transferring correctly to the pen. If any part of the design lifts up with the transfer paper, lay it back down, rub with the squeegee and try to peel it off again. And there you go, you have your personalized pen. You just need to remove the red protective wax on the tip of the pen. Let me know what you think and join me for the next video to learn how to personalize your cup.